Yes, yin along the line with mingle with ladies. They were too quiet but very poisonous. I'm telling you. Ono sa not here. In reality, no, you can predict her. It is our yeah.
Too much GH. Ghana wahala jumede na ebre aso se ene nso mu nuaba epiesi kapa mede ebeso mo se de daneda ye no na se de munim no trending issues a ekoso ewo memu no eno ena ye de ebre mo na se etenti ye nso de mamunim se ye nyai eche so a de biarada na ene nsema da apno so a ye betwe no sre ene abasa aware abaako ehon sensem abasa womo mo bema womo good luck de womo de baye womo de chese womo bu womo abemede fa ho so no womo so de womo de baye na hwan aware ho ensem na make Xandy Kamel na ene de ababeto abonten de echinkuri abusuafo mo mayembonra ensem no emu. I dated quite people who were poisoned. Xandy Kamel's husband breaks silence on why he chose to marry her. We enen sama ababeto abonten abusuafo se de mu na wotwe ya hyase too much for your day ebebe so mo se abaya Xandy Kamel woni Angel TV sports presenter Kaninja womo de aware so on the 14th of May na 14th no so edruye no aware no eba so kama ema enkrofo bebre ekokohia mu ewo ehonomo na abusuafo aware no ebedru so no omo invitation card eliki ye no krampo ansa no nsensem bi ebebeto abonte na ebinum hu ni sa aware na nya de se beba so obi a wo eba ba akode ye den na Kaninja wotimi ekokọ ware no ebinum so abaya we ya na fu abuagu eyi na ade ayi wakwa ware ne sa ede ayeden ebinum se na wo pa wo po obi aware na abaya we na wo se ensem ne de bebre na ebaya ebinum so onye oba anko ye oba anka ye ne akwala wo no ka ne papa eyeden eware no sei ni sei ensem no ba bebrem eno ema aware no echie no Xandy Kamel na mu eba bonten ede bebetu just say mo amosori amutwa de bono mo twa bono se an wono na fuso ena wo ye bon one ena wo ye say ai wagene nyina atu na susu ne pot belly no wo de age aware ne pot belly no wo de anya kunu ne pot belly no say wanya kawa e de ahye ne nsa ne pot belly na asanso asama no aye misses ena ne pot belly na susu asabo na ma wo no as a bon one watimi anso aye de enya bema wo ne no ebeda adwen ate se wo kwa empaso asese ne nan enya mienu na emu mebeye enan na wadin sem we atu dwa ka cha wo mo mofuya flat ne se mo flatomy se me de me pot belly enya we nyina ene mo nso so amo flatomy no mo nso mo fa mo de enkonkọ gide mo nso so mo pe na still no wo be cancer ansem we no still na te se gana fu twa e de bo Kaninja the choice I will choose and a woman wafa no se oyere because omu ne se aware we enya de se ebe lasting aware we enya de se ebe kono so wano e de amom ebiem no mu ne se abaya ne nya abaya wo senka branti a wodwo te se wo no wo ye de wo kọ ekokọ fa no because we wakọ fa no wakọfa adesoa wakọfa oha wakọfa amane wakọfa no ma bebre anka wo odwene ho etena ne ba bi po obi anka ye ku ware na anka wo no na sum bedwonum sense obekọ akọfa alomo jata kono go kaya wo no a wonsoa onu so nja ma obi nso yi enti no chese na Ghana for ensem no ayebubrujam na brantie ne tina se hwe se de ensem no ekọ na chese wo se wo no so wo ba no bebe kasa na no de atu edwa se hwe wono wo ware wo date wo mo ye quiet wo mo ye din ache enso so wo mo ye slow poison womo ye poisonous and kasa se ye mo poison wo mu a womo wo dey to womo ani pedin bia no ha ni trimu osum enti wono wo fa abaya we because of say ohun ne say wonye perfect ena nya de nso say ono so wo ye perfect na abusuam man go tie ne nsama wo dey atu jana say I never needed a perfect person because I am not perfect. I believe in transition and somebody who is ready to learn and change. she needed someone who will have time for her, and I also needed someone who will understand me. So automatically we all came on the same page. I have mingled with ladies who were quiet but very poisonous. I know her, and she is the type of lady I had always wanted. The reason why I chose Xandy Kamel is because I am not perfect, and I needed someone who is also not perfect so that we can all perfect ourselves. We any and someone king Kaninja what they are two a jana say brand and wafa no because of say when you're perfect. One woman when you're perfect, and abaya no so perfect. Into woman in our etna, and a from so when you pound from so but no so chess and a funny affair and I just a baby for and far and concord debbie into one more everything at night is so my eye and tem as some a day account never see a calculated when woman go here and some a free a brand and one casa no more to their mechanic a written one that is a big go up and said or canon and my poto and I'm a day Emma Moneno Mumma and team free one casa nano.
The perfect person, because I am first and foremost not perfect. Until I mean you'll be all perfect. But I believe in transition and somebody who is ready to learn and change. Life is about changing. My name says I am Felix. We started our blogging and saying now here. But what do different level? Meaning who you doing and who see and you may be brave. She needed somebody who be a time man. And I also needed somebody on also better means was. So automatically we all came on the same page and I started to say, yes, a lot of some now can say, Kaninja de no be a woman was and yes, yin along the line with mingle with ladies, they were too quiet but very poisonous. I'm telling you. Or no son not here. In reality, no, you can predict her. This is why and or your type sana na me peno. They look innocent in face, but very deadly. Into Biaka or why Xandy? Why is it? The reason choosing Xandy is I am not perfect, and I needed somebody not also perfect so that we can all perfect ourselves. Okay.
Abusuan said their mote and I just said their mekan no sa pepepe and a branch no wodi egu akwemu na chese abaya na wo ware no enye wo bia wo beye no ho kama atena honom aye no ho se ono do mpe no ho asem ono do ye dindi wo ye ku wo ye se na afei wo be kwa hu ana de wo ye wo akire no na anokra mpo ayeden na anokra ayeden ede amano entinu na to so hu ne se wo be pe wo bia na nu su ye hetu no enu mom eye ene enu mpo no oni nsi nipa de sei ena wotie enti so wo kote abonten se abaya ana wo yire aye se mpo a woni mu se me yire de obetimi aye enti no obi kan ankwankwa ye no ankwankwa ye ne se na oba we na mkoware ena mahu da bi ompe anadwoma na sembia wo pede onim na nitua ene se obi kan wo hunu ha wo no so obeka no asi ede afa enu nti ena kokofa na Ghana for say abrante why dream sha papa say we panty ena wo fa ba ya ene kan hu say wo bedane alomo jata dia tenafie wonum wo ba ye ne boss abra wo krampo no ntimi ma bonti memeka say abaya no wo tetew wuntimi mba bonten emememeka say abaya no otete wo da biara eda because wo be ye bossu bible krampo say be ma be ye tire so wan hwa na Xandy Kamel wa baba be ye tire wa busuani mu a wa wuntimi enka wuntimi ma bonten po mebie wa no nka say ebia me yire amene ne tie sei na wo ye me anase sei enti no mekura ware na me wom no mani enje enti say wa make that decision wo hwe this because of oma wo date wo mo ye quiet na wo mo ye use no poison enti no uhu ne say wo mo mom no o mo enye ma na mom wei na wo pede ne kan hu say wo be ko atwede akase pa na wo ba be ko ankasa ewo wa brabom ye bi enso edia wo de eba wo se mind them. That is perfect decision that you made. Those quiet person you don't know, one day they might even take a gun and shoot you, but that no one would even believe that they did that. So edia no say no yes said they watch one same one as said they walk on some na no kwan so a eno no because we go fa nipadindi wo betri etuo e wo so akum aje se Ghana for ye beti wo no ye ngi ntumu da se ebia oba enetimi ye wo sa ensusu na wa ye den wa ye ewie enti no ye pan so wa take that decision na wa ma wa kwakwafa wo bia wo no de nani den a wo betimi aye na ade ankasa ye nua bi nso de a wo de eba ye ne de ene se only God knows the best. It doesn't matter whether the person character is this or that, but yet though we all have to pray and ask for God's help in the marriage. And also so at the end no say ani the wo kan de no kwana so ni nyina mu nyankopon na edi ehene ewo mu ono le betimi ache nipa na mfa woni ni su ene ne ban a wo benya ebia na wo ye quiet woni so yes no ban so ebia na nkono ene bebo hetu we wo woni say because of say not ebia na hidden character bi ewo ho no ma wonnim na wakwa akofa ede ato ho so na echeri no wote ho no na wutwa eja wajo abusuafo ensem a ekoso a wo mutwa king Kaninja Angel TV sports presenter no mutwa na dapa enam Xandy Kamel ware no on the 14th of May wo Paloma Hotel Horside no na just wo mo ebo enyo so na nka enim sa branten wo me kasa wo so hwese de Ghana for afa ade no World Cup no ne pe no akwakofa na oba wo peso ware no nanso so akwakoye chese adadwen di ama Ghana for na chese wo so wo ba na obebe hyo ma de so ede emam no kire mu de nti a wo trusu that girl and also for that decision say Xandy Kamel ene wone no ebetina na nensem no ne tofa ene yebo edema na chese wo no onye perfect wo pobi ono so onye perfect se wo no na wo matimi abo mo bra a perfect wo mo life we ene ensem a abrantie no ede etu edwa na wo so san ene wo hu no esi efa dia wo kan ye no ewom ne kwan so anu no ana se wo kan ne keke se de be aga na fo ana se wo kan de achechire na anim keke denti na ema no kasa ensem no ebusuafo fa wadwentra wo no fa etu eja se de wonim no so sa won subscribe ya subscribe to your channel no too much GH na wa share dem abusuafo all the social media platforms na follow your Instagram page at too much GH_ na emrepen madwentra no ye di ebetu eja amamu that's na ye besane share.